other, eye to eye. We're no longer hiding, eye to eye. Got to stop the sliding down to ground and be responsibility. Yeah, look at me, eye to eye. Ba-ba-ba-ba-da-ba. Ba-ba-ba-ba-da-ba. Ba-ba-ba-da-ba. Remember, our minds can trick us to think our lies are the truth. You better not blink, 'cause facing denial takes work every day. Time to reflect on what is at play. Our fears, our dreams, our past, our traumas. We blossom together through dramas of karmas. We then can relax as we think of the harm that we must balance out with the seeds that we farm. Eye to eye. We're no longer hiding, eye to eye. Got to stop the sliding down so ground and be responsibility. Look at me, eye to eye. To where is our humanity? When we look inside ourselves, we see the compassion that can melt the hell. The heart inside has truths to tell. So get up, come back from the trip that ego paid for, and get a grip. See the light inside you, always beside you. Open your eyes to the needs you hide. We are all queens and kings, and if I tried you, you'd question what you once justified. You'd straighten your crowns and recognize the revolution is not digitized, but two-way, 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 two-way. Got to stop the sliding down so ground by being visibility. When you can see me with the music in your eyes and the beauty in your soul and the light inside your mind and the peace wherever you go. There is music in your eyes, there is beauty in your soul, there is light inside your mind, and there is peace wherever you go. There is music in my eyes and beauty in my soul. There is light inside my mind, and there is peace wherever I go. Eye to eye. We're no longer hiding, eye to eye. Got to stop the sliding down so ground. Why the invisibility when you can see me? Eye to eye. I see a painted truth, you see a painted truth. If we stick to the key of me and the key of you, we should be cool though.